All right, everyone, I'm going to go over this Google form with you. Please do not watch this video unless you have done your absolute best and filled out the Google form already. The purpose of this activity is to practice and prepare for your formative on Tuesday, and so it defeats the purpose if we watch this video first. So, for all the people who have already done this Google form, you're in the right spot. Keep watching. For those of you who have not finished the Google form, watch this video after you turn it in. Okay, so now that all you are here, who are supposed to be here, you're obviously going to put in your first and last name, and that is really important so that I know who you were. I have multiple people with the same name, so make sure you put your last name. If you didn't, maybe you want to email me. What class period are you in? So then you're going to get down to this spot, and you should have put in just 3 events or actions from the story Hair Love. So you could have chose the first 3 you wrote down. For me, I picked one at the beginning, the middle, and the end. So first thing is the dad tries to do his daughter's hair, but gives up. So that's one event. So we put it here. Then, daughter starts crying, but then shows her dad the tutorial video. So that's when we see that her mom has her own website where she shows how to do different hairstyles. And her and her dad watch the video and they're successful. And they are successful. Then the last one, then dad and daughter visit mom in the hospital. And that's very sad. They're all reunited. It's this happy moment where the daughter shows the beautiful picture of her mom with no hair, and so her mom takes off the bonnet. So whatever you said for your 3 events, it could have been whichever ones you wanted to choose, but make sure they're all actions, right? So dad tries to do the hair. That's an action. It's an event. Daughter starts crying and then shows the dad the tutorial video, and they do her hair successfully. Action. Then dad and daughter visit mom in the hospital. That's another action. So the external story is all actions and events. So then I'm just going to match a feeling or emotion with each of the events I chose. Hopefully you did the same, but if you did different feelings and emotions, that's okay too. So you're just tracking what is the emotional journey, right? So I'll just say it all, right? The little girl wakes up and she's so excited. You could have said excited. She has this plan to go see her mom in the hospital, which we don't know until the end. But she wakes up, she's excited. And then she feels maybe incompetent or has this lack of confidence, or she's frustrated or sad that she can't do her own hair. So then the dad wrestles with the hair and tries to do it himself and is unsuccessful. So then they're both, again, you could say frustrated or upset or angry. Or sad, right? The little girl runs off crying. Then the little girl comes out and shows the iPad tutorial video of her and her mom doing the hairstyle, and she feels hopeful. She feels encouraged. They do the hair and they feel joyful. They feel excited they did it. They feel successful. And then they go and visit her mom in the hospital, and they, again, you could say feel love. They feel a connection. The mom feels proud. You could say the little girl and the dad feel proud of themselves. So it's their journey, right, of feeling excited and then frustrated and hopeless to persevering through that and figuring it out, to being successful and getting to go see their mom and be really proud of themselves. So that is the emotional roller coaster. So I'm going to say frustrated about, giving up, trying to do the hair. And then hopeful once the little girl shows the tutorial video. She feels hopeful that her dad can do it. She feels confident in her dad. And that was a really sweet moment for her to encourage her dad. And then the last one I'll say is joyful. I'll say like proud. Okay? And you see that the little girl feels proud of her mom, right? She wants her mom to embrace that she doesn't have hair and love herself. And she has this pride about her mom, which is so sweet. So then we get down to this. What would be a possible theme or deep meaning to this story? So hopefully you used the how to find a theme note section in your ISN. Those are all the questions you hopefully asked yourself while you finished watching the video. So if I pull those up in my ISN, oh gosh, should have had it prepared. But it could be, what is the story trying to teach? Well, it's trying to teach me about family and valuing my family. Maybe it's trying to teach me about, so that could be a value, what character trait. It could be, perseverance, so don't get so easily defeated. That could be a theme that you came up with, persevere through hard trials. Getting angry doesn't solve anything, fight, frustration with hope. You could do, how does this story encourage you to be a better person? Maybe it encourages you to love and have confidence in your family or in yourself. So maybe your theme revolved around valuing your family, right? So if you say something like that on the formative on Tuesday, that will be about a 3, right? You're talking, you understand the story, and you understand the deeper meaning about family and valuing family and maybe persevering or something like that. And then a 2 response would be if you summarize. So if you say the deeper meaning of the story is about getting your hair done, right? That's a summary. That's not the deeper meaning. So it has to be a theme. If you want to push for more of that 4, you really have to dig deep to, okay, well, what about family? Right? And it can be to never give up on your family, and then kind of explaining that answer will lead you more into that 4 response. And so if it's valuing your family, okay, so what? Why is it important to value your family? And so, talking about those types of things will get you more to the 4. But if you just say a theme and a deeper meaning, you're proficient, it's great, you got a 3. What we want to avoid is summarizing, okay? So you could say, always value your family. That's like a 3. We don't want to summarize, so then if we want to shoot for that 4, it could be even through struggles, kindness, wins. Right? So we see that they're struggling to get their hair done, and the little girl could easily be like, Dad, you can't do anything right, and get frustrated and sad and pouty, but she instead comes up with a solution. So really digging into those certain parts of the story can lead you to a deeper analysis, okay? And then lastly, how do you know the theme or deeper meaning? So I would say, the little girl finds a solution and helps her dad, and they work together, right? So teamwork and things like that, okay? All right, this video has gone on long enough. Thank you for sticking with me for this long. Hopefully that helps you. Come see me during my office hours if you want more support. Thanks, guys.